It's as simple as press, hold, select. Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your personal shortcut buttons on your Roku Voice Remote Pro. If you're interested in the Roku Voice Remote Pro or a bundled kit like you see here with the Roku Ultra, I'll have some links in the video description for you. Now let's go ahead, let's look at the remote and set it up. All right, it's time for a quick viewer intervention. Yes, I'm talking to you. No, don't look away. I'm talking to you right now. In the last 28 days, almost 40,000 of you have viewed the TV Chef channel, but only 98 of you have become a subscriber. So would you please consider clicking that subscribe button? Bonus points if you like, comment, and share our videos as well. If you don't like our videos, please give it a thumbs down, click that dislike button, and tell us why in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you either way. Also, bonus points for you if you want to share it with an ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend, estranged sibling, spouse. You get the idea. We'd be grateful for that as well. Here's a look at our Roku Voice Remote Pro right here. And the two buttons we're after are the 1 and 2 right down here above our streaming channel buttons. Yours might look similar. Maybe you have a couple different streaming channels down here, but you should have these two buttons to be able to program on your remote control. Now let's go ahead and get them programmed. So we're at our Roku TV. We want to set Prime Video as our shortcut for button number 2. So we're going to hover over the Prime Video tile right here, and we're just going to press and hold button 2, and it's going to bring up this prompt right here where we can select Prime Video as shortcut 2. You'll also notice we have a couple additional options: the Roku Channel, Live TV Guide, Closed Captions, and Voice Commands. So this is what you're limited to being able to set up as a shortcut. Unfortunately, you can't just do any setting within the TV. It's got to be from basically this list or any of your streaming channels. So we want Prime Video to become our shortcut. There we go. It's all set and ready to go. Got a little countdown here. Doesn't really matter. Let's just go back home, and you'll see as soon as I press 2 on the remote, guess what? It pulls up Prime Video. Just to show you that we can't do every feature, watch what happens when I hold it down, button number 1 for what to watch. We're to get this prompt where we can select a channel, not this channel, and then we're back to the same options. So for me, I'm going to do closed captions. That's definitely a feature that I like to have quickly accessible when I'm streaming content. So we have both of our buttons set up. It's as simple as press, hold, select.